Hey guys, about 5 years ago I made this video, how to properly pack vintage equipment for shipping. I thought I knew how to pack well. Recently I bought a pair of vintage Altec speakers from a guy on a forum well known. Got them shipped to me. Let's unbox these things. This is bomb-proof shipping. Alright, so these two boxes here showed up this week. Let's dive into them and see what I'm talking about. I'll spare you all the cutting I'm going to go through to get this off. Looking pretty normal, about like the video I made before. I'm using some housing insulation 1-inch thick. Here we got something that says rear magnet, and all of a sudden things get a little more interesting. So we can go down the side of this box here and get us in from the side. And as we take the side off, holy cow, I've never seen anything quite like that. It gets more interesting. From here, we start to get into the layers. It is one layer after another, hand cut, specifically made for this item. Remember from my previous video, the whole goal is to not let the item inside move at all. No slack, no anything. There's no way this thing is moving. It just comes off in layers after layers after layers. And then this whole bottom set here, got to cut it as well. And more layers and more wrapping here. Even front here is mounted in perfectly. Absolutely mint set of Altec 604Es. I could not, super duplexes. Could not be any happier with how these things were packed and how beautiful they are when they got here. Most bomb-proof packing I've ever seen, even exceeds what I can do. Absolutely beautiful set of speakers, born the same year I was, 1969. Thanks guys.